Just how precisely you can control movement, your own movement, and the movement of other objects is an important factor for many careers. Whether testing equipment or using tools, mechanics of all kinds must be able to control movement exactly and often repeatedly. Carpenters need to be in control too as they manipulate tools and materials and develop strategies for getting the job done. Sometimes the ability to control movement is called hand-eye coordination. That means your eyes see what's needed, your brain decides what to do, and your body follows through. In many jobs, it's necessary to control more than one motion at a time. For example, crane and tower operators use their hands and feet to manipulate the boom as it moves above the construction site. And broadcast technicians slide faders and set switches, often in opposite directions simultaneously, as they mix audio from various sources. Controlling movement might also mean judging relative motion. When a harbor pilot's launch comes alongside a ship, it takes awareness and control to move from one moving vessel to another. People who operate vehicles have to be in complete control to move them safely. Drivers of big rigs and buses learn to control the motion of their machines to make turns and lane changes. They often have to make instant, complex adjustments for speed and space without the help of computers. Sometimes movement must be controlled where it cannot be seen. Earth drillers monitor their machinery and take action at the surface to affect the movement of drill bits way below ground. Whether it's large-scale work like this, or the work of tool grinders, filers, and sharpeners controlling equipment to shape material without damage, practice and experience can help you get a feel for the work and take control of your career.